Okay, so we're gonna do a trip review. The 18th of February trip. Okay, so for this trade, it was I traded the London session. Okay, because I was expecting a troublesome AM session. Okay, why? Because okay, here's the news. Okay, quite small, but okay, 9 p.m. They have Trump speaking during 9 p.m. And we have 8:30 a.m. news, which I think won't be much impact because we have the 9 p.m. Trump speaking. So I was thinking it would be a troublesome AM session. So thinking trade the pre-market is anything before 10 a.m. Okay. But ICT always say ideally is around 7 to 8:30. But I saw something during the London session. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I saw. Okay, right here. That time I didn't think that I wanted to trade. Then I was just looking at the chart. Then I saw this very clean weekly old high. Then I'm thinking, yep, price can just expand to it, and it might happen today. Well, I was wrong. Because first of all, I was expecting a move to happen when we have Trump speaking, which is a high impact news, and it was inducing a high resistance liquidity run already. Yes, you can trade, but it's going to be high resistance. Okay, so yeah, I was expecting something wrong, but I did turn out profits for this day. Okay, it was a high resistance trade. I did manage it quite well. So yeah, I was expecting something wrong. So yeah, I was wrong. And I really learned a lot from this day. So let's go. So again, this weekly old high, I was seeing weekly old high to be reached again. So right here, we're gonna get into the day. Okay, so I started sitting in front of the computer around 8:40, 4:18. Okay, so yeah, I did not put a trade until around 5. So you can see it's around 1 hour time. Okay, so I was sitting just watching the charts, watching the price action, because nothing was there for me to go wrong yet. So I just seated there. So I seated for around 40 minutes. As you can see, 5 p.m. only I open the trade. So yeah, sometimes trading doesn't mean you sit down, you have to straight away trade. Okay, if it doesn't give you a setup, you don't trade. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through almost the whole session. Okay, just to show you guys what's in my mind and stuff. So yeah, this was I did show you guys, right? So just me drawing out some stuff. So this is around time 6.3 speed. Okay, so yeah, so no button was pushed until 5:07 p.m. 8 a.m. sorry. Okay, so you can see the buy sides, which is I think it's the Sunday buy sides. Price is sitting above it. So I'm thinking, yeah, can go higher. So this is the 15-minute BC. As you can see, the bodies sitting above the CE. The bodies got above it as well. Okay, 25 handles. So from here to here, around 25 handles. So it passed the 20 handles filter. For Nasdaq, okay. So if there's no 20 handles, I won't entertain the idea. Okay, so now I'm expecting price to stay above the 15-minute BC. Remember this red rectangle, okay? Remember it, okay? We are going to go through the whole really important reference point. Okay, so you can see we do have a 15-minute or 5-minute BC right here, very small. Okay. You can see right here. So I was expecting it to be a breakaway, but with hindsight, it did not be a breakaway. Okay. Well, I don't really trade London, and because London is always like really choppy, it's just like that. So, yep. So I'm seeing if the 5-minute order block supports price, and looking at all averages as well, I can see price just went lower past it. Okay, very ugly price. Okay, displacing lower. Now I'm seeing how this price react to a 5-minute BC. Okay, we raided sell side, and I'm thinking price can start moving higher now. Not forcing. Okay, I'm going to wait for a fair value gap to form because it's London. See, price just continue shooting lower. Yeah, see, it's not interested to go higher, so I don't have any trade. I don't have any trade to make yet. Okay. Looking at the 1-hour chart here, down to 15-minute. Looking at the wicks right there, the wick CE. Okay, looking at the wick CE. Okay, the CE right here, the blue line, and I'm thinking for that green rectangle that I draw, I'm looking for price to get above it, close above it. Okay, ideally just close above the CE of it, but as you can see, it's still resisting price. Yep, not showing signs to go up. What do I mean by really balanced? Look at here, back and forth, so much back and forth movement. So really balanced. And look at ES, okay, look at ES. It's really close to the sell side here, relatively equal lows here. Okay, that's why it's not yet it's not favorable for run higher for hashtag. So just wait. And I'm seeing if price can stay up in the upper portion of this red color 5-minute BC, okay? A 15-minute BC, sorry. So as you can see, majority of the bodies are above it. Okay. I'm doing this trade review. I think that was around. Today is 21st, okay, it's 1 AM. Okay. Yeah, a lot of trade reviews to do. Don't let book pile up. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm drawing the opening range. Oh, sorry, this is the extension projection. Okay, so let's say price break this high, how far can it go higher? As I'm seeing for higher price. So yeah, I just draw a projection like that. Okay, now I set to the opening range. Okay, midnight opening range, and yeah, see 12 AM OP opening price of Tuesday. They supported it right here. So I'm just waiting. So I'm seeing that price form that relative equal. Okay, I'll show you guys real quick. Yep, yes, it is the weaker market. So what I mean weaker, if you are going to short, right? Yes, it's a better short. You see, I'm looking at ES also. Just now don't bother. Okay, I'm just dropping out the new day opening gaps and anything that I miss out. Okay, because London is just like that. It's not going to move yet. Not in a rush. Okay, just chilling here. just drawing on the gap. Okay, now you can see price went below 15-minute BC CE, halfway of it. I did not like that already. Okay, so I will need more confirmation now. Yep, I'm only interested to long. So yeah, price can continue moving lower. It's possible. If it continues moving lower, I'm not going to join the trade. That's it. Okay, another sell side taken. Right here, this is a sell side taken. And we have negative 0.5 standard deviation from the opening range. Yep, I'm just waiting. Okay, price look like it's going to go up, but no, it didn't. That's why I'm waiting for fair level gap. Why? Because it's high resistance and it keeps going lower. So when it keeps going lower, it's good for my long because price keeps on taking sell side, keeps on taking sell side. So it's going to be in a really cheap condition, which is that's why I was already waiting to go long, waiting for order block to be validated. That's it. Okay, now we reach for 5-minute wicks CE. And I'm thinking, can we move higher now? Okay, after sell side taken, after liquidity is taken, then you see price consolidating. That is what you want to see. Okay. So I'm really favoring it. Okay. So yeah. Okay, you can see this is M Live. It's a live account. Okay, now price is really close to the sell side here. It's now an L. It should just spike to it if you want. And with hindsight, it did spike to it. Okay, so I'm going to just jump right over here. As you can see, price cleared out the sell side and reached for a 15-minute BC, a lower 15-minute BC. Okay, so now I'm waiting. It just makes it price more cheaper now. Okay, so now I'm waiting for fair value. Okay, nice displacement up there. But do we form a fair value gap? And we got above the sell side. That's why I like it. Okay. Okay, 50 ticks, a 45 tick stop loss, and I'm going to risk around $67, which is around 0.5%. You know, I don't want to risk too small as well. So we'll risk something that I'm comfortable with. And looking at ES as well, under here is the ES chart. Okay, ES also pushing higher, really good. So I'm just gonna wait for price to sink into that fair value gap. Okay, just waiting. No, for London, it's just like that. Okay, you just have to wait. No, waiting for price. There you go. I'm in. When it reach the 5-minute wicks CE, I'm in. I'm looking for this BC now. Can it be a breakaway gap? Okay, yep. Reach right into it. Yep, now I'm seeing for expansion. Remember, this red color is a 15-minute BC. Okay, so if you are bullish, I want to see price get above and stay above the half of the gap. Okay, so that's why I'm looking for expansion now. Okay, and we have been taking sell side, so price has no reason to go any lower now. And we did consolidated a bit, which is nice. And we also have a breaker here, this breaker, this is the breaker candle. Okay, this is the breaker candle. So, but I'm only looking at the fair value gap. I'm saying if price can leave partially of it empty, and you can see yes, almost close it in. Okay, but I'm just submitting for the BC. I'm saying the BC should hold price, but you can see the bodies tell the story. Okay, the bodies are still above the BC, so that just means it's still in play. Yep, it's a really good risk to move. It's a really good stop loss already. There's no need to move it. 10 handle stop loss, really tight stop loss there. Okay, as you can see, we have a balance range as well, so price shouldn't breach the balance range now. Okay, so you can see this is a high resistance trade, but you see the bodies. Yeah, I like the bodies right there. Still staying above it, the BC. Okay, staying above the green color rectangle. Very good. Okay, right here. Now that price has already touched it, the CE of it, and almost close it in. I really want to see expansion higher now. Okay, it's now or never. Either it comes and stop me, or either it goes higher. Okay, but it's high resistance allowing all this being more forgiving for price to move lower. Okay, we reached the order block MTH. This is the order block MTH, and yeah, we touch it and very sensitive to it. Okay. Okay, nice expansion up, but can we close above it? Okay, nice. We closed quite high. I like to respond there. Does it expand higher? Okay, I did add one position because I'm looking at prices. The risk is too small. I want to risk at least 0.75 like that. And yeah, it's the first time trading like around 4 contracts. But it's all about the risk, it's about the risk, it's not about the contract numbers. That's what I'm saying, price should accumulate because it's around the 15-minute BC. Remember I was saying I want to see price get in the upper half of it, okay? So this is just me managing the whole trade, okay? As you can see, it's still in a very small range, okay? That is called high resistance, right? Yep, I'm still managing it, okay? I like how this was left open. I want to see price to just shoot out, just shoot. Now we dig right into it again. Break away, can we just fly higher? Okay, I think I'll make it a little faster again. Bit slow, right? Okay, for this trade, after I took partials off, right, I did leave a runner and just let the trade run rather than the trade is still on, okay? I'm just looking to all the averages, but seems like price don't want to move lower. It don't want to move higher, sorry. Not yet, okay? So yeah, nothing much here. I'll jump right here, okay? See the time 540, okay, we have the 32 ticks profit, and yeah, we reach for the 5-minute BC, and I say foothold to send price higher, okay, which means I want to see 5-minute BC being used to send price higher. just submitting a price action, throw my stop loss. Okay, now it's a risk-free trade. I like how price get above the 5 minute BC. Yeah, almost left. Okay. Better wrap this up and go to sleep. Okay, now buy side has been raided already. Okay, and we have a 5 minute BC. Okay, so I really want to see price start expanding higher and staying in the upper half of the 15 minute BC. But yeah, with hindsight, price did not do so. So now now I had left 2 contracts. Okay, I did pay the trader because it's staying too long at the relatively equal high, and I decided okay, just pay the trader, just leave 2 contracts on. Okay, so now it's completely risk-free trade for me. Drawing on the daily weekly. Really high resistance. Okay, I'll just speed it up a little bit faster. Okay, now I'm just leaving it be. Okay, I went and it's time for dinner. Okay, it was daylight saving, so here's around 7 p.m. So I just let it run, you know. Just let it keep on running. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'll just speed it up even faster. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to let the trade be. So, shall see. Yep, initially that was my terminals and stuff. Okay. No, I just got off my trip, my computer, and just went and cooked dinner and stuff. Okay, went and prepped dinner and stuff, like without the concern of like whether I'm going to lose or not, because it's already a risky trade. So this is also the first time me seeing okay, almost stop out there. See whether I get stopped out or not. Looks quite likely. Yeah, I'm closing off already. To wrap this up quick. As you can see, too much. Okay, it's probably going to stop me out now. Always have to recommend. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys the end of it. Okay, like you see. Okay. Because Benjamin took a trade over. So it's just like that, okay? Like he lost money, so the trading is all about managing losses. Like I also going to lose one day, okay? So it's like, oh, he just lost all your profit. Like just not like that, okay? Trading is about managing losses. If you cannot take losses, then you just cannot trade. Okay, so that's it. That's it for the whole session. After I got stopped out, I stopped the recording. And yeah, as you can see, it's a high resistance trade, okay, and I really learned a lot from this trade. I'm really glad that I paid the trader, but you say that, do I think that I should have taken 3 contracts off? Maybe. But one thing about this, okay, it was high resistance, right? I threw my stop loss way too tight. Okay. So like if my stop loss was like initially below the 15-minute DC, right? I'll show you guys like if I did not throw my stop loss that time, I would have been in profits. As you can see, my stop loss was around here. Okay, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out if I did not shift my stop loss too tight. Okay, I really shifted it too tight. Okay, as you can see, right, from this image, right, this is one of my back tests. Okay, you can see price reach here, then continue going higher. It would have given my first contract, my first partial already. Okay, it would have given me that. Okay, so you can see if I keep my stop loss, maybe just put it right below the 1 minute. If I keep it right there, I would have been in profits before the 8:30 a.m. news. Okay, so yeah, I just threw my stop loss too tight. So I focused a lot on paying the trader, and I did identify that this is a high resistance run, and yeah, there's progression. Like I can look through high resistance run better now, but doesn't mean it's nice to do. So that's it for today's trade review. See you guys in the next one.